intermolecular attraction. And in the intermolecular attraction, that is, first is, yes, the PPT is opened. So this is the first states of matter: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. After that, that is table of contents. We have to discuss contents, I told you. And next is the intermolecular force. I am telling the intermolecular force like as the van der Waals force, hydrogen bonding we know. And van der Waals force again, actually, my colleagues, I am telling you, within 40 minutes, 45 minutes, I have to finish whole topics shortly because it is difficult to complete whole chapters within 45 minutes and 40 minutes. So I am trying to my best to give. First of all, intermolecular force, what we have to discuss. One is the van der Waals force of attraction. And the types of van der Waals force of attraction, I have to tell that is dipole-dipole interactions. And dispersion force or London force. After that, the hydrogen bonding. And in the van der Waals force, third type is the dipole-induced dipole. So first of all, what we have to discuss in the dipole dispersion force. Dispersion force, that is the force we have to among the between the particles of non-polar particles, and the dipole-dipole interactions between the polar particles having the permanent dipole, and the dipole-induced dipoles that we have to discuss. That is one substance having the permanent dipole, and another is the non-polar substance. So which type questions will come? This is the main things. I told you that everybody knows, everybody teach in the class, but which type questions will come from the van der Waals force of attraction? Many things we have things, give the reasoning questions, that is answer the reasoning questions. Sometimes we have seen that is the boiling point of the butane and the 2-methyl propane, which has the more boiling point. Answer is, we can give the answer using the topic that is van der Waals force. More van der Waals force, more boiling point. Less van der Waals force, less boiling point. So if I tell that is butane and 2-methyl propane, which has the more van der Waals force of attraction, my answer is that of butane, because it has the more surface area, and 2-methyl propane has the less surface area. So we have to give the idea which van der Waals force depends upon which factors. First one is it depends upon the surface area. Van der Waals force and surface area, more van der Waals force, more surface area, and that is, it is the directly proportional. Next, I have to give the concept to the students. That is the temperature. Temperature and van der Waals force, the inversely proportional. More temperature, less van der Waals force. Next, I have to go pressure and the van der Waals force of attraction. Pressure and van der Waals force of attraction is directly proportional. More van der Waals force, more pressure. After the size and van der Waals force, that is directly proportional. More van der Waals force, more molecular size. This concept we have to give to the students and to give the answer of the reasoning question. Next is the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding, that is in chapter 4, chemical bonding for the students. We have already discussed before starting the chapter 5. So, but basic concept we have to give for the hydrogen bonding. That is, what is the criteria for the hydrogen bonding? Next is types of hydrogen bonding. And everybody knows one question is very common for the hydrogen bonding: why the orthonitrophenol is less volatile than the paranitrophenol. In paranitrophenol, we have to draw the structure. That is, there is the paranitrophenol means that is the boiling point is less and it is more volatile, and there is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So this is very important things, hydrogen bonding topics. Hydrogen bonding topics, questions will come. Many questions, that is the boiling point, the solubility, this type questions will come. Why the boiling point of water is more than hydrogen sulfide? We have to give the definition, we have to explain to the students that is the boiling point depends upon few factors, that is hydrogen bonding. More strong hydrogen bonding, effective hydrogen bonding, then the boiling point will be more. effective hydrogen bonding,